Have you ever heard about Grok AI? If no, then watch this video till the end, because today I'm going to show you this amazing AI from Elon Musk. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and this is my new video. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Grok AI. I will show you how to find it, how to use it, and what possible to do with this AI. If you are ready, then let's get started. What is Grok AI? The name Grok means to deeply understand something. And that's exactly that this AI aims to do. It was created by X.AI, a company founded by Elon Musk in 2023. And it works closely with X, or formerly Twitter. Basically, you can create with this AI images, chart, you can chat, you can ask different questions, you can ask about writing and so on. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use it. First of all, you would need Twitter account. Then open website x.com/grok and you will see the AI interface. The interface is really simple. All you need to do, write the prompt and submit it. For instance, let me write some simple prompt, web developer, learn new tech stack, and let's see the response. And as you could see, Grok AI has access to the internet and different web pages. That's why it answers on the information from the internet. It means many things is up to date. Let me demonstrate for you one of the example. Let's ask AI what is the latest version of iPhone, and let's see the result. And as you could see, the answer is pretty straightforward, simple, and yes, the latest version of iPhone is 16. That's correct. How about if we ask who is the president of United States? And as you could see, Grok AI knows the answer. The president is Donald Trump. In the current interface, you can select different models. Unfortunately, there is only one model available, but this model allows you to create an images. To create an image, just write simple prompt. For example, create an image of Donald Trump with a duck, and let's see the result. As you can see, it's working really fast, and this is my result. It's not perfect, but you definitely could improve the quality of the picture by providing better prompt. And of course, you can save the image, copy the image, and post it in the Twitter. As you could see below the picture, there is some hints for additional request to AI. Unfortunately, it's not related to the previous picture, but maybe in some instances it could be helpful. Okay, let me try another prompt. This time I will ask to AI to create a thumbnail for the video, and let's see for the result. Here we go. This is the result. Unfortunately, it's not exactly what I want. I believe you can improve it by providing more detailed prompt. So just give it a shot and share with me your feedback. Let me try another prompt. This time I will try more technical prompt. For example, write for me a HTML code that I can use for center a div. And let's see if it could do that. And as you could see, this is the result. This is the HTML code that I can use for center the div. And seems it's working fine. So it means you can ask AI not only a simple question, but also a technical question as well. I played with this AI about 30 minutes. I found out that it could be useful for something. Unfortunately, it couldn't create diagram for me. And seems it's also a bit away from the context. Not, for example, like ChatGPT, because you can continue to ask follow-up questions. But seems Grok AI not fully aware of the context of the previous conversation. So, and free version unfortunately has its limitations. There is only 10 Grok to question per 2 hours. If you need to use more, you have to buy premium account. The premium account is about $7 I believe, and premium plus around 13, $14. I'm not 100% sure if it's good replacement for ChatGPT or other AI, such as Perplexity, but it's definitely something that you can play with and see if it could be useful in your cases. That's it. As you could see, this AI really powerful. It could do many different things, but give it a shot. It's free, and you definitely find some use cases where you can use it. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you haven't watched my other videos, please watch them. They're really useful. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.